I consult around Google Ads all day long. That is what I do for clients. But if you came to this channel expecting fancy tutorials, telling you exactly what to do, telling you exactly how to apply negative keywords, telling you point by point every bid strategy, looking at the cost per click breakdowns, I think you're going to be really, really disappointed. Do I have some of that content on my channel? Absolutely. Do I feel like I deliver it well and articulately? Absolutely not. I don't think that that is my thing. That is not what I bring to the table, despite the fact that I know the platform, Google Ads, in and out, backwards and forwards, and I consult on it all day. And so a while ago, a long time ago, when I started this YouTube channel, I made a very, very deliberate decision. I would talk about strategy. I would talk about what other people are missing. I would talk about the unsexy part, the part that nobody wants. Nobody wants strategy. Everybody wants an outcome. And I don't want to turn this channel into another tactical Google Ads manual. You already have that. And here's the great news with all of that. AI is eating this content. AI is eating this lunch. Will people still Google all these questions? Absolutely. But at the end of the day, that is a transactional thing that AI is taking. And so my technical breakdowns, when I think about them, they're already out there. They're on search engine land. They're on search engine journal. I've been through all of this. I mean, the president of the Paid Search Association. There is proof enough that I am really amazing at what I do that exists in the ecosystem of the internet. And so I try to avoid sitting here and teaching new settings. I don't want to blend into the sea of thousands of people doing the exact same thing. That said, I have a thesis, and I put this thesis through different lenses to figure out if I am just making a massive mistake or if this is the only way forward in the marketing environment that we all are living in today. And so, yeah, this kind of has to do with Google Ads because it is higher level marketing, but it's something that I think my clients are asking and I'm asking. And frankly, being a subject matter expert and talking through how I think through things is very important if you're ever going to hire me for anything Google Ads. So when I think about this theory, right, that I'm coming forth and saying, which is if you don't talk about Google Ads, you can still gain clients. There is a pushback on that. And it is, if you don't talk about Google Ads, cold viewers won't know what you do and the algorithm won't know who to serve your videos to. But that is a very, very standard SEO tagline. I believe in the age of AI, and I feel like I have the proof that clients are putting more and more complex queries through. They're not just asking a question. They're asking about the person who could help them through this problem and giving all the business context. And I'm coming up more and more because in my discovery calls, I am asking clients, how did you hear about me? And they tell me what they put into prompted AI. And then I am being sourced. So then I run it through essentially what I'm going to call a first principles thinking, right? So why do people actually hire someone? Why would somebody come and hire me with Google Ads? And the truth is, people don't hire me because they know that I know where settings are, right? They're not hiring me because they know that I know what button to push, because they can find out what button to push if they simply Google it. They hire me because of my judgment. The content, what I'm doing today, is what creates the alignment. The publications prove the execution layer. Next, I look at this from sort of like an expansionist point of view, right? Like, where do I want my business to go in the future? And when I talk about tactics, and my data proves this, and I believe I have a video that I made a long time ago on the channel, and part of why I paused on the channel for a while and went back to the drawing board is when I only talk about tactics, I attract DIYers or people with micro budgets looking for a quick fix. But if I talk about macro strategy and my thinking and my brain power, I'm actually opening the door to actual decision makers and actual business thinkers versus somebody who's just trying to learn Google Ads because they think it's the next best side hustle. And then I think a really, really good one is the perspective of an actual client, the outsider. And what it is that executives don't care about the syntax of paid search. When I am talking to my actual clients, they're not talking to me about the details. They care about risk, leverage, unit economics, and growth. Lastly, it's the person actually doing, which is me. And that begs the question, how do I actually bridge the gap without turning my channel into a generic business advice channel, right? So like, to me right now, this video is very generic. I'm sort of talking through a scenario out loud, exposing my thinking, and how do I not become just a generic advice channel giving sort of high-level business advice that has nothing to do with Google Ads. And so taking all of this into perspective, what is my loose connection to Google Ads? What is the final outcome? What is the verdict when I think about my channel? Here is where I landed. I don't need to teach Google Ads tactics to prove that I know Google Ads. In fact, when I dive deeper into that, I noticed my content is served right beside the Google Ads official documentation. I've seen that in my search engine console. I've seen that in my blog. But what I do need to do is I do need to use Google Ads as a magnifying glass. Search data doesn't lie. Whether it's in Google Ads, whether it's in Search Console, whether it's the YouTube data that I outlined in a video below, 90% of the time when campaigns are failing, it's not because of just a bad match type in itself. It's because the offer is weak. The alignment isn't there between the searcher, the ad, and the landing page. And the unit economics are squeezed, or the business model can't handle the real cost of customer acquisition in a platform like Google Ads. So on this channel, that I'm trying not to be a tutorial channel, this is the lens that I look through for real business growth, market demand, and consumer behavior. If you want a step-by-step button pushing guides, there are plenty of great channels for that. There's plenty of dudes offering that on a day-to-day basis, and they do it at scale with beautiful production. But if you want to look at paid media through the lens of high-level strategy, offer positioning, actual business viability, then by all means hit subscribe, talk to me in the comments, reach out to me in my blog, or book a consulting call. I truly didn't want that to be a hard sell, and I think I failed there, but here we are. That being said, that is the offer that I have for you. If you manage a scaling brand spending significantly on search, and you want to see how I think about executing strategy, then by all means visit my website, where I talk through a lot of problems. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the comments, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Have a good day.